Is the meat gonna be cooked in time? Is the rice gonna be cooked in time? What am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to get this done? It's just like, man, how am I gonna pull this off?
What's up, everybody? I'm Chef Marcus Samuelsson, and right now you're at Red Rooster in Harlem. Today it's all about family meals, which is also the one meal that you can never, ever, ever order in any restaurant. Family meal is like this hidden little secret. Cooks, servers, bartenders, managers, everybody sitting together, everybody eating. It is an opportunity for us to see each other as a family. I thought it would be a challenge to have Tiffany take on the challenge with family meal. Show us who you are, get a chance to perform. Let's go meet Tiffany in the kitchen. Hey Tiffany, how are you?
Hey Chef, how are you?
So today, you gotta make family meal.
Okay. What? Okay. You can't really say no to Marcus, so.
You ready?
I am ready.
It better be delicious.
It will be.
I don't want to see any sweet, technical dessert. Today has nothing to do with pastry.
No.
Good luck.
I
and
hope
I'm gonna
you like
rate
it.
you. I'm rooting for you.
Thank
but if it's
you.
not good, I'm gonna let you know.
I know you will.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Good luck.
Thank you. So when Marcus told me that I was making family meal today, I was just like, oh my goodness, so what am I gonna do? It's definitely a lot of pressure because I have been doing pastries for about 13 years. I do not cook, I'm pretty much a home cook.
One of Rooster's biggest assets, and any restaurant's asset, is the creative staff. Everyone that works in the restaurant is creative. In so many ways do we get a chance to showcase that here because of family meal.
So I decided to use rice and beans because they had kidney beans already prepared. I go inside the protein walk-in to see what protein is available. We have some goat meat. It was like, you can't make goat unless it's curry goat. There's no other way to make goat. So when I went into the produce fridge now to see what vegetable I can use, I saw that there was some shredded cabbage. That's how I came up with the process. Curry goat with steamed cabbage, rice and peas, and festival, which is a fried bread.
So I was really nervous for Tiffany. That wasn't a challenge at all. I wish I could have done something more difficult, you know, but that's the beautiful thing with cooking. Sometimes you need a lot of time and planning, and sometimes just whipping something up is the best way. I think people were really rooting for her, that they want her to do really well.
My favorite family meal here?
Yeah, who makes the best?
Who makes the best? Chef Ed.
Yeah, Ed
I
does
love
good.
Chef Ed,
Southern,
yes, he
yeah,
does
you're
great.
right.
Love Southern
We're also
food.
waiting for Chef Tiffany, so I
Yes.
yeah.
We'll compare and then we'll
compare.
know exactly.
Are you excited for Tiffany's family meal?
Oh, very excited for her family meal. I haven't had West Indian Jamaican food in forever.
And
to have her make it, oh
Yeah.
man.
And Jamie is also an example of, I didn't know she was cooking. So she came in and did family meal for us. And then we actually started to put, on the Latin night, we started to put Jamie's dishes on the menu. Family meal really shows the best of a restaurant and why I love to be a restaurant worker so much. We treat the meal just like we would cook for a guest. And our audience at that moment is our staff.
That's a lot of pressure. So I'm a little nervous because I don't know what people are gonna expect, but I hope they enjoy it as much as I'm enjoying making it for them. I learned to make all these dishes from my grandmother. Her name is Hopeland Robinson, and she passed away last week, so she's the reason why I decided to make this meal. And I said one day I'm gonna perfect these dishes and I'm gonna be famous for it, and look at me now.
I mean, Rooster is really La Familia, and the fact that Tiffany is such a loved team member because she works hard and she's on everybody all the time, but they also know because she has the best interest of the food.
For the curry goat, typically when I make it, I like to marinate my meat for about 2 or 3 days. I only was able to marinate it for literally like 5 minutes, and then I had to cook it. And then I'm like, man, goat takes about 3 hours, so I had to just turn the oven up all the way up to 500 degrees, boil it for like 30 minutes, pop it in the oven just so it can cook in time. The rice and peas, I would normally use a dry coconut and make my own coconut milk. But again, because I didn't have any dry coconut in-house, I just used canned coconut milk so I can be able to meet the time frame for family meal. So as I'm in the process of preparing, I'm almost done, everything is on time. Behold, Marcus walks in the kitchen.
See what I got here?
What's that? Oh, Myers rum? What are you gonna do with that?
You know, we have to add one more thing for you. So, you're ready to serve, right?
Yes.
You know what we need? Because it's pastry, we need a good old Jamaican rum cake for staff as well.
Okay.
Can you do that? We want to savory, and something sweet.
Okay, you got it. So I need to work on
Go,
some
go,
sweet.
go,
All
go,
right,
go, go.
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do?
Tiffany was a little bit surprised when I handed her a bottle of rum, but like any good Jamaican, she knew what to do.
I'm gonna see what kind of cake batter that I have already pre-made. All right, so I have some vanilla cupcake mix. I'm just gonna turn this into a quick and easy rum cake. That's all I can do right now. And I'm just like, what am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to get this done? So I literally have to think off the top of my head, how am I gonna pull this off? Yeah, pass me the rum. That's how you think on your toes. Gotta be quick. Put a little in here. Put a little rum into the cupcake batter. It's not the right way, but it will do. At this point, it's a team effort now. So right now, we have about an hour, and the cupcakes will take about 10 minutes. I'll just bake them, pop them in the freezer, cool them down, icing it real quick. The oven at 400 degrees is making everything cook really fast, so that's what's saving me right now. So I'm just gonna make some vanilla whipped cream. I'm gonna run and get some cream from the fridge. Ooh, salad. Yo, make me a fruit salad. It's definitely a lot of pressure making family meal because to cook for 50 people and you don't know what the response or the reaction is going to be, but fortunately a lot of people here were very excited for me to make family meal because they do like my desserts, and then the fact that I have a Jamaican background and we have a lot of people from the Caribbean, they're just like, ooh, Caribbean food, something different than what they're usually used to having for family meal. Making family meal, making sure I'm set up in time. I was a little stressed out a little bit. I was just like, man, how am I gonna pull this off? So when I was serving family meal, I was so in my head, I was like, oh my gosh, am I gonna do a good job? Is the meat gonna be cooked in time? Is the rice gonna be cooked in time? I hope everything tastes good. I was really, really paranoid.
Her food is amazing. She's taking the #1 spot right now. I need somebody to create another challenge. So far, she took my spot.
We definitely have to change the menu, by the way. 2 or 3 of these things, that cabbage is gonna come on, the goat is coming on. She's taking over. Yeah, she's taking over.
Everyone I noticed was taking seconds and coming up for thirds, and the reaction and the responses was really good, really positive.
What I think is amazing about today is that Tiffany worked really, really hard for this. How did the meal come out? Nice? Good job. Family meal is also a moment to come together. We can start seeing each other, whether we work back of the house or front of the house. La Familia, you have an opportunity to really like support one another, because I bet you it's not one of you that is not going through. So I think that's amazing.
When Marcus told me that I did a good job, I was like, it was so amazing. I was like, it was like a sigh of relief. I'm like, okay, he enjoys eating what I make. He likes it.
I feel like a proud parent. I was nervous the whole time, but she did such a good job. Almost too good. I'm like, wow. She showed all the cooks. A restaurant that has great family meal will have amazing vibe and culture, and it starts with family meal.